Yo, Kitty Tutorials here, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you all one of the best externals in Roblox for FPS games like Rivals, Arsenal, like Sniper PvP and stuff like that. So let's get going. Alright guys, so to start y'all need to buy a license key. To do that you go to my website, link in the description. You go into external, you go to Solix, you click buy now. When you have this, you click purchase now. You select whatever currency y'all want to use, crypto, PayPal, or debit card, credit card. I'm gonna select cryptocurrency. You pick which one. You put in your email so that they can deliver it. I'm gonna use this email just to show you guys how to do it. You click pay 10 bucks. Once it loads, as you guys can see, this is how much y'all have to send in the selected crypto, and this is the wallet address. Whenever y'all have gotten your license, you should get it on your email. Then you can go to redeem key, make a ticket, create a ticket, give them your license key. This is the owner Solix, and I'm in DMs with him right now as we speak. Then when you get the role, as you can see, I have the role over here. I have the buy role. Once you get that, you can download the loader, and loader, click on this link. It's gonna open a website. Then you click I'm pretty sure, yeah, this one. Then you click allow. Once this is finished, you click save. Then you open this, then you can close this. When it opens on your monitor, it opened on my second one, so I had to drag it over. You go to your desktop, you create a new folder, you can call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it Solix, Solix on top of course. You're gonna drag this file over to the Solix folder. You're gonna close this one. You're gonna open this. Again, it opened on my second screen, I'm sorry guys. Y'all open this file, you click run, then you click yes. I know it's a black screen, but y'all just need to click yes. And y'all wait. This is how the loading looks like. As you guys can see, it's pretty cool. As you can see, they have like a lock thing that you can't leave your monitor. In none of those, you can't click anything on your desktop. You can't do anything. You can't click X. You can't do anything. You can click Windows and you can change like tabs, but you can't really click anything either way. So that's pretty cool, because then people can't actually crack the software because they can't do anything. They can't open any apps. They can't really do anything. So click Roblox. Here you put in your license key right here, and then you click launch. As y'all can see, once it's loaded, it's gonna say waiting for game. But I'm gonna show you guys one thing. If something doesn't work, make sure you go into the Discord, click tutorial, and click this thing and download DirectX. This is from Microsoft. It's just a thing that software developers use, and if you don't have it downloaded, then it might not work. So make sure you download this. Alright guys, so now we can actually launch a game. Now that it says waiting for game, launch something, I'm gonna launch Rivals and showcase this banger fucking external. Like, I swear to God, it's the best thing I've ever used. So this is how the UI looks like. I have a config loaded. I'm just gonna quickly show y'all all the features. They have an aimbot, as you can see, multiple things. You have silent aim. This one you need to use if you want to play Rivals. The viewport silent, humanization, some checks. This is probably some ragebot stuff, visuals, which is like tracer and field of view and stuff like that. Instead of visuals, you'll have like ESP, as you can see right here, and you have some other checks, so you can check if you're the local player so that it doesn't apply the aimbot, wall hack to you and stuff. You can check team, pretty cool. Players, you see all the players, you can whitelist them, you can teleport to them, as you can see. Oh, this guy's like out of the map. MISC, you have different stuff, as you can see right here. I'm going to show everything. Then lightning, crosshair, but we can have like a custom one. And then settings, where you have like the menu stuff. You can change the menu color, as you can see. This is the configs. You just open directory, and inside of here you put your whatever config you have. I can share this one on what is it called, on Mega NC. The link is going to be in the description if you want to use this. And that's pretty much it. Let's go test it out.
come on, let's go really I'ma hit the jerk. Come on, let's go really yeah. Come on, let's go really I'ma put you in the dirt. Come on, let's go really yeah. Come on, let's go really I'ma hit the jerk. Come on, let's go really
on the back, on the back, on the back. Just wanna hit the ball, just wanna do the